Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. So today I have come up with one more series of Gd&T certification videos. So there were multiple questions within my network of professionals as well as the colleagues and my YouTube subscribers regarding the Gd&T certification, how to go about it, what is the benefit of it, how to do this preparation, and most of the questions I thought would do a series of video to help all the folks there. So stay tuned for multiple videos related to Gd&T certification. So majorly about me, quickly I'll introduce myself. I'm an engineering graduate in industrial engineering and management from Vishwesvaraya Technological University and India, and I did my tool and die making from NDTF, and then I also did precision engineering in precision machining from ITE Balestier. With I have a 20 plus years of industrial experience in different domains like manufacturing, semiconductor, and aerospace engineering and management. I am also ASME certified in geometric dimensioning and tolerancing professional. You may be wondering what is this ASME Y14.5 repeatedly seen everywhere, dimensioning and tolerancing. Hey, don't worry, today I am here to help you to understand what is this ASME Y14.5 is all about. The ASME Y14.5 standard is considered the authoritative guideline for the design language of geometric dimensioning and tolerancing, that is popularly known as Gd&T. It establishes the symbols, rules, definitions, requirements, defaults, and recommended practices for starting and interpreting the Gd&T and related requirements for the use on engineering drawings, models defined in digital data files, and related documents. Gd&T is an essential tool for communicating the design intent that parts from the technical drawing have the desired form, fit, function, and interchangeability. By providing the uniformity in drawing specification and interpretation, Gd&T reduces the guesswork throughout the manufacturing process, improving the quality, lowering the cost, shortening the deliveries. So you might have understood why ASME Y14.5 is very critical for any mechanical engineer. Hope you enjoyed today's session. You find it informative. Please like, share, subscribe, comments. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. I'll get back to you. Happy learning and stay tuned. Have a good day. Thank you.